I've seen so many survival products online, but most turn out to be just hype. When emergencies strike, you need something real, not a flashy promise. That's when I came across Blast-Proof David's Shield. At first, I was skeptical like anyone would be. But after comparing it with others, I realized the difference is massive. This isn't one of those cheap survival tools that fail when you need them most. Blast-Proof David's Shield is built with true quality. It's tough, reliable, and designed to handle real-life emergency situations. The material, the finish, the way it's packed, everything screams original. I actually bought a couple of so-called similar products from other sellers, and honestly, they were all scams. Thin build, no proper guidance, and zero strength. Completely unsafe. What shocked me is that many sellers are claiming they have the original, but most of them are just using the name. Only the official version has the tested features that make it dependable when it matters. People need to be aware. There are too many fake versions floating around. Some may even look like the real deal but fall apart quickly. You shouldn't take that kind of risk. If you're planning to buy Blast-Proof David's Shield, make sure it's from the right place. I've shared the correct link where I got mine, direct from the official site. Only then you get the genuine version, full quality, plus any bonus material or warranty that comes with it. Anything else is a gamble with your safety. I've tested mine, and it delivered on everything promised. Now I feel prepared for any situation without worrying about my gear failing. Don't fall for the fake versions. Go for the original Blast-Proof David's Shield, and stay safe with something you can truly trust.